Alright, I'm not a competitive eater or anything, but
you gotta go, bro. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34. There he goes. 33, 32. You're on 30 seconds. 25, 24, 18 seconds. 13 seconds. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Added seconds on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, get that down, 35, 35 extra seconds added on to that 30 seconds is gonna put you almost at about a minute eating that burrito. How do you have anything to say about that?
fucking delicious.